Okay, this problem is also a multi-step problem. So we're going to look at this in a couple ways. We need to see that Steve picks 55 pounds of pears. He packs an equal amount of pears into 6 bags. He then has 4 pounds of pears left. What is the weight of pears in each bag? Now this is difficult because some kids want to, because of the order of the words in the problem, they want to take this 55 pounds and divide them into 6 bags right away. But if we look at this, we do have a total of 55 pounds of pears. So we're going to call that pounds of pears and 55. But actually, we don't have equal units in this problem at the end, and we kind of have to work backwards for this problem to make it make sense. So we're unequal. And the reason we're unequal is because one unit is pounds of pears in bags, okay, and we don't know what that number is. And then there's pounds of pears left, and we do know what that unit is. So for right now, we're really thinking if we need to work backwards. We know that we have pounds of pears in bags. We don't know. We have pounds of pears left, and we know that there are 4 pounds of pears left. So in my bar model, what I'm looking at here is something that looks like this. We know that there were 55 pounds of pears total. That's our total. I'm looking at, there's 2 major parts of this, or 2 major sections of units. We have pounds of pears left, so I'm going to put that over here, P-O-P-L, and there's 4 of them. I can even put that in there because that's not going to change. Okay, and then we have pounds of pears in bags. We don't know what that number is yet, but with our dichotomous key, if we have a total and we have unequal parts, we go down to the subtraction operation. That tells me that I have 55 minus 4, and 55 minus 4 is 51. Well, that 51 is what we would have put into the bags, okay? If we took those pears, pounds of pears, and we had 4 left at the end, we must have had 51 that we split into 6 bags. Okay, now the second part of that problem is, I know it seems like in the problem that's the first thing he does, yes, but we had to think about it in 2 steps and kind of work backwards on this one. So do we have a total? Well, yes we do, but the total now is going to be this space. Yes, it's 51. Pounds of pear in bags is 51. Okay, we're not focused on the grand total now, we're focused on the total right here. Okay, are our units equal? Are the units equal? Yes. Well, what are the units? The units now are bags. They're equal, so I can get rid of this. Their bags are the unit. Do we know how many bags? Yes, there's 6. Now my pot poo would be, my pot poo here is pounds of pears from the bags per bag, or pounds of pears per bag. Pounds of pear, that's your pot, because that's part of the total, per bag. Part of pounds of pears per bag. Okay. Now, what I could do from there is we don't know what the pounds of pears per bag is. We're looking for that. We're looking for the pot food. But we do know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. Okay? So if we go back to my dichotomous key, if we know a total, we go down that side. We do know a total. We know that there are equal parts of the total. There are 6 equal parts. So my math work is total divided by the units. There's 6, so 51 divided by 6. If I need an algorithm, I do the algorithm. Here's my math. 8 3/6, which we can simplify to 8 1/2. If I have to loop that, I will loop that. I could also put that into a decimal if I wanted to. But that shows me that every bag is going to be 8 1/2 pounds. What is the weight of pears in each bag? 8 1/2 pounds per bag.